All right, so let's do a chapter on the disproof by counterexample. So this is kind of a weird case because we're not actually proving the the, the proposition. Instead, we're trying to disprove the proposition. So you might want to use this technique if you are pretty sure when you look at the proposition, if you're pretty sure that this proposition is incorrect. And how we do that is simply by just providing a counterexample to it. So let's look at this example here. Prove that a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So this is a very elementary level of algebra. So any grade 9, grade 10 student should be able to prove this right away using proof by deduction. However, let's try to find the counterexample to this. So let's try to think of an example. Let's say, suppose that we have the case a comma b is equal to uh, 0 comma 1. Would that be a counterexample? Well, let's try to put it up and put it in. 0 plus 1 squared is equal to 0 squared plus 1 squared, which is 1 squared is equal to 1 squared, which is equal to 1 equals 1. So actually, we're not actually disproving this by counterexample. We actually showcase that it is working for one of the values, right? So that's not a good counterexample. Let's try another one. Let's try a comma b to be instead something like 1 comma 2. Then let's try. Then 1 plus 2 squared is equal to 1 squared plus 2 squared. And 1 plus 2 is 3 squared. 1 plus 4. So then I get 9 is equal to 5. And that's definitely a contradiction. That wouldn't work. So therefore, we can say that the proposition is disproved by counterexample. So there you go. Once again, reminder that this technique of disproof by counterexample is easy to use when you can think of a specific case of the proposition that will invalidate the given proposition to quickly contradict yourself and disprove this proposition here.